A line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1 over 7. Which of the following points lies on this line? Okay, so it passes through the origin. Remember, origin is just the point 0, 0, okay? And the slope is 1 over 7. So slope, just to remind you, is the rise over the run, okay? Or the change in y over the change in x. And in this case, our change in y is 1, and our change in x is 7. So for every 7 units that I go to the right, I will go 1 up. So if we take a look at our xy plane, so I'm just going to draw the top right quadrant because this line goes through the origin and is positive because we have a positive slope, okay? And what it's telling us is that for every 7 units I go to the right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I go 1 up. So here's a point. Then if I do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I hope that's 7, I go 1 up. And there we go. So my first point is 7, 1, and my second is 14, 2. Now, if I continue this and I draw more lines, and here is my graph, or my straight line, if I keep on doing this, you'll see that all the points are going to be in the ratio of 7 to 1. So we just look for an answer choice that has something like that. And lucky enough, in this case, we actually have a point that we came up with. But in the cases where you don't, in the cases where you actually have something like, instead of 14 for x, you actually had 26 for x, or something bigger, just look for the same ratio, 7 to 1, or whatever your slope is. Okay? All right.